Hello everyone. I wanted to go over real quickly the learning module. So learning module, the way to get started is you create a menu item, and the learning module again will be, as you've seen in our course, how we have table of contents and we have sequential items. So in this case, it's just a blank page, and we're going to build contents. We're going to build in here a learning module, and we'll just call this one module number 1. You can put in here text. This module is referencing chapter 1. You can do a permit users to see it. You can do a select date and time. This is a teacher preference thing. If you want to enforce sequential viewing, so in order for them to go from 1 to 2, they have to view number 1 and they can't skip to 3. So in this case, I'm going to say yes. I don't want to open it in a new window, and I want to track views. Now this is another teacher preference here. If you automatically set your items up with numerical or letter or Roman numerals, then you would want to do hierarchy display. If you select none, that allows you to move items around on your own. Okay, we're going to submit this. And now what you see is this icon here that is the icon that represents our learning module. And now you don't see anything, you don't even see a table of contents because there's nothing in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the learning module, and now you see table of contents here. And now we can begin to build items that we want to put in here. So we could call this so we could call it the lesson plan. We can give text in here, and we're going to track the number of views, and we're going to browse for an item. And I'm just going to place that in there. So that's the document I want in there. I'm going to select submit. And what you'll notice is item number 1 is showing in our table of contents. Now I want to take them to a web link where maybe I want them to see a certain site. I'm going to go USA Today. And I'm going to select that link, the URL. I can type in, this is for you. So I have an article for them to go and read. I want to track the number of views again. Open in a new window. Yes, this is an external site, so that's fine. I'm going to submit that. And now what you notice is we have this sequence that will go on. And again, you can start to build more and more items. You can do another folder in here where you have other items. You could have practice quizzes in here. And you can put your text as usual. And you can track the number of views, make sure you permit them to see it. You can do a date and time restriction on here. And there, now you notice how we're starting to build items, and they can go into them. You can even reorder them. If you say you had a pre-test you wanted them to do first, you can put that in order. Now as you notice right here, it's not in order, it didn't automatically change. When you refresh, I'm going to refresh this real quick. I'm going to go back to our learning module. Back into module 1. And you notice practice quiz is at the top. Now I can't go to the USA Today until I go to practice quiz first.